Here's how to fix the no printers found issue on your iPhone. If you're trying to print a photo and it doesn't detect any printers, the first thing you should check is whether your iPhone is properly connected to your network. For example, when you tap on the photo and select Share, then Print, your iPhone should automatically detect nearby printers if they're on the same network. If it doesn't, follow these steps to resolve the issue. First, exit the photo and go into your settings. The first thing we're going to do is enable airplane mode, which will disconnect you from both Wi-Fi and cellular data. If we try printing again now, it should show that no printers are available. Now, go back into settings and turn airplane mode off again. This should reconnect your iPhone to Wi-Fi and potentially help with connecting to the printer. Next, go to General in Settings, scroll down, and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. From here, select Reset and then Reset Network Settings. This will reset your network settings to their default state, which can sometimes help resolve printer connectivity issues. Note that this will not delete any of your data but will clear your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, so be ready to re-enter your Wi-Fi credentials. After doing this, make sure that both your iPhone and printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Often, the issue could be with the printer itself, so check that the printer is online and connected properly. Once everything is set up, go back to Settings and tap Shutdown at the very bottom. Don't underestimate the power of restarting your phone. Turning it off and on again can fix a lot of glitches, including printing issues. While you're at it, try restarting the printer as well by turning it off and unplugging it for a few seconds before turning it back on. Then try printing again. I hope this helps. If it did, be sure to hit the subscribe button below. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching.